Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nathina Antoinette. I know I don't moisturize my hair like I'm supposed to, but I will share what I do when I do moisturize my hair. Now this is not like my moisturizing routine after I wash my hair or anything like that, because that's a different type of situation. When my hair feels dry, what I should do at least twice a week, but what I do maybe more like every 2 weeks. And I know, I need to do better. So, yeah. So, ouch. It hurts. All right, so in this bottle, I have rose water and filtered water. 1 tablespoon of rose water to 1 cup of regular water in this bottle. So I just go through and I spritz my hair. I go ahead and like pop anything that's like stuck together that's not supposed to be stuck together. Put back anything that's supposed to be together that's not together. Rub, get in my scalp and all of that. Y'all, my hair is so black, or this shirt is so faded, or both, because my hair is really black and the shirt is extremely faded. Okay, I'm gonna take this front section, pull it forward and up. 100% boar bristle brush. And since so for the most part, my locks are locked, except, you know, well, if you've been following my lock journey, I did combine my smaller locks to get thicker locks, so they haven't completely locked together, but I still do brush my hair. I'm taking my boar bristle brush and I'm just brushing my locks to kind of pull out any like stray strands that I have. It'll help. I don't know how to make it make sense, so I'll show you guys what I mean. Those hairs are out, see, like that. Since my hair is wet, I just kind of pull them out and like wrap them around my, it's 3 individual locks in here and I want them to be 1, so I kind of just wrap it around loosely, just, you know, in hopes that eventually they will connect and just give me 1 big lock. So that's what I do when I'm just moisturizing my hair, because, you know, I don't want to retwist my hair too often since I am aiming for thicker locks. This is what I do to my locks. I am not saying you should do the same thing, okay? Because I am not a lock expert, okay? I'm just going to spray this Sulfur 8 on my scalp. I opted to get the spray over the grease itself because I felt like it would hopefully put less buildup in my hair. And I just kind of spread them out and do a few sprays. And I try not to put this on my locks, only on my scalp. And I just give it a good massage. Okay, since my hair is so dry because I haven't been moisturizing it. Matter of fact, after I washed my hair, I didn't put anything in it. It was late, I was tired, whatever. So I'm going to use this Tropical Roots Growth Oil. Has a lot of great stuff in it, but I'm very careful with this because I was told from a few people that it can cause buildup. So I'm just cautious with it. I love it. I think it gives my hair a nice little shine boost to it. Makes it nice and soft. So I use it, but I use it sparingly, okay? Like, that's it. So y'all, I don't know if it's because, ouch, if it's because my hair has been stretched in ponytails or what. I just woke blacked up, but I don't know if it's because my hair has been stretched in ponytails or what, but my locks are looking like super lengthy. They're looking super lengthy, y'all. I'm gonna leave my hair down today. I've been wearing them in like 2 little poof balls, but I'm gonna leave my hair down today because they look cute. If it shrink up and start poking out and looking crazy, I'm just gonna, yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.